So here's how to earn from Canva Creator. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to try out Canva Pro. Start off by scrolling down to the end and go to the community section on the Canva website. Then, right-click on Creators and open the link in the new tab. Go to the tab and click on Become a Creator as shown. Then, tap on Apply. Over here, log in or sign up to continue with Canva. Once you've logged in, follow the instructions and set up your creator account. For example, your interests, creative specialty, and more. After that, share your contact information and a link to your portfolio over here. Then, tap on Submit at the bottom when you're done. You have now successfully created your creator's account and can now earn from it by sharing your designs. And that's it. That's how you can earn from Canva Creator.